So I recently got a mail from a student from Patna who started preparing for CA along with college. Couldn't clear it, reappeared, still couldn't clear it. She has been stuck in this CA pipeline for 6 years. She's 27 years old now, but the scary part is she doesn't even know how to explain this 6-year gap in her resume. No qualification, no job, no salary. This is not unusual. You see, CA finals pass rate is 3 to 4%, UPSC 0.2%, SSC, CHSL anywhere between 0.2 to 0.5%. So the youth today spends the most crucial years of their life preparing for government entrance exams, which certainly gets you into a very noble profession, but the success rate is horribly low. Who is earning here? Is the coaching industry. The coaching industry has become worth rupees 55,000 crores. UPSC, JEE, NEET, CAT, year after year, students are ready to pay money to these coaching institutes. So in this video, I'll break down 9 high-paying careers that will blow up in 2026 so that you don't get stuck in the same loop and actually start doing something that moves your life forward and also change your financial reality. Science. Here are some top career options in this field. So usually people go to a good college and then get an internship and then a tech job. Electronics engineering. If you're curious about robotics, smart devices, sensors, and how these devices work internally, then this field is for you. India is investing heavily in semiconductor ecosystem. So careers like IoT, semiconductors, chip manufacturing are in massive demand. The problem here is that people nowadays will be like, I did everything right, studied for JEE, got into a good college, maintained good CGPA, still didn't get a job. It's not because there are less jobs, it's because most graduates are not skilled enough. It's 2026 and now world doesn't pay you for what you have studied or what degrees you have. It pays you for what value you can create. So no matter whatever skill you learn, you have to work hard to get in the top 2% of your competitors.
And next wave of innovation in advanced technologies help you do just that.
As an electronics engineer, the average salary is somewhere between 15 LPA to 50 LPA, depending on your expertise. AI engineering. If you want to secure a high-paying tech job and kickstart your tech career, then AI is the perfect field for you in 2026. AI has an impact on every field. Companies are investing billions in automation and intelligent systems. And no, AI is not taking away your jobs. It's changing how jobs actually work. So most people try to resist this change. It's called the ostrich effect. That's ignoring the danger in hope that it will go away. But ignoring change doesn't stop it from happening, right? It only leaves you unprepared. AI is new. It's confusing. But if you adapt now, you have extraordinary leverage because you were early. So don't wait for the time or technology to be perfect. Just jump right in and learn as it evolves. Now, with the use of AI, work is not going to be related to the number of hours you put into it. What only matters now is the output. And that's why the environments that focus on practical learning, real-world exposure, and adapting to a new tech matter a lot. Places like NIET, an upskilling initiative in partnership with 25 plus universities, are building that mindset. NIET focuses on building real-world tech skills like AI/ML, data science, and full-stack development since day one. You are also surrounded by people who are also trying to build something and not just pass college exams. I'm not selling you a pathway of not working hard or some quick become risky, but the ways jobs work now has totally changed. The expertise of skills you build matter more than the degrees you hold. Medical field, MBBS. If you're someone who is passionate about healthcare and can handle long years of study and pressure, then MBBS is your thing. If you become a specialized doctor, you can earn anywhere between 20 lakhs to 1 crore a year. Sustainability and renewable energy. India is actually moving towards clean energy and sustainable cities. So if you're someone who is interested in things like solar energy, EVs, green tech, and wants a future-proof career, then you should definitely consider this field. Because companies and governments are now putting serious money into clean energy, EVs, solar, and this field will be in high demand in the coming decade. Average salary you can expect is somewhere between 15 to 35 LPA. But in this field, you're not just limited to a job because it has crazy startup opportunities as well. Solar panel installation business, sustainable product brands, green consulting that helps company reduce carbon footprint, and many more. Cybersecurity. Because 2026 is no longer about if you get hacked, it's about when. Hackers are getting smarter. So companies now need people who can protect their systems. Average salary is anywhere between 30 LPA to 70 LPA. Because this field is not easy. If money is your only goal, you will quit before you even reach the good part. So don't come into cybersecurity just for the money. Go for it if this field genuinely excites you. Arts. Arts is not limited. If you work hard and get in the top 2% of the competitors of your field, you can actually earn really well. So here are the top career options in this field. Psychologist. Mental health problems are rapidly rising in India, especially amongst teenagers, and most don't even talk about it openly. So if you're someone who is curious about human thoughts, behavior, and decision making, you should consider this. The average salary is anywhere between 6 to 12 LPA, and by private practice, you can even earn up to 30 LPA. Graphic designing. Designers are literally needed everywhere. Every brand, every company, and every creator is hiring video editors, thumbnail designers, and social media managers. The best part about this is that you don't even need a fancy degree to start. You can just start with freelancing, design apps and websites for clients, and can earn up to 50K to 2 lakhs a month. Media and content creation. Now, this is not as easy as it sounds. Actually, it requires consistency, patience when no one is watching you. And content creation is not just about making money as a side hustle. It's about creating your own personal brand. Government job entrance exams. The craze for government job in India is crazy. From UPSC to SSC, banking to railways. And yes, once you clear it, there is stability, respect, and good money. Go for this if you want a stable career and want to create a social impact through your work. Next we have is commerce. So if you're someone who likes business and always thinking how to make maximum profit out of something, this field is for you. Here are some top career options from this field. Consulting. Here you work for big companies, analyze their problems, you find gaps, you tell companies what to fix and how to grow. CA. The entrance exam process is hard, but once you finally make it, that moment makes every sacrifice worth it. After 4 to 5 years of experience, the average salary of a CA is anywhere between 35 LPA to 1 crore. Financial analyst. A financial analyst is basically someone who understands money, helps company make better financial decisions. If you want a good high-paying role in this field, certifications like CFA, which is also called Chartered Financial Analyst, and CMA, Certified Management Accountant, are must. CFA teaches you how to grow money, stocks, investments, etc. But CMA teaches you how to manage money inside a company, like cost, budgets, profit. And for your friends who keep saying the job market is dead, it's a lie. Startup ecosystem is growing day by day, so there are multiple job opportunities being created. The truth is, you probably aren't skilled enough yet. The system has changed. There are 4,000 engineering colleges in India. That 15 lakh people graduate every year, and out of these, only 2.5 lakh people get relevant jobs. The rest are unemployed or forced to take up jobs in other sectors. And it's not because there are less jobs. It's because most graduates are not skilled enough. It's 2026. And now the world doesn't pay you for what you have studied or what degrees you have. It pays you for the value that you can create. So no matter whatever skill you learn, you have to work hard to get in the top 2% of the competitors. Use your knowledge in real life, do internships, build projects, and that's exactly what NIAT focuses on. Helping you push beyond average and get into the top 2%. Because at the end of the day, the expertise of skills you build matter more than the degrees you hold. The world doesn't pay you for your degree. It pays you for the value you bring to the table. Let me know in the comments what field you are interested in. And if you want more about tech, careers, and college life, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.